Imagine your customer adds one product to cart and Shopify automatically adds the gift wrapping with the exact price without any extra click or apps. Today I will show you how to build this smart gift wrap system using the Shopify Cart Transform function. So as you can see, we have products over here which has the gift wrapping services with a different price. So what you are going to do, let me just remove these items from the cart and I will explain you everything. The first thing you are going to do, you are going to create a new product, gift wrapping services, or name it whatever you want. You will create that product and you can assign the image. Make sure the price is 0 and inventory is not tracked. Once you create this product, the next step you are going to do, you are going to install the Shopify app. After installing the Shopify app, let me just tell you how you can install the Shopify app. So if I go here, simply type Shopify app in it and it will start asking you the app type. You will select the build React router app and then you will type select the TypeScript, and after that you will choose your organization in your partner. I will choose my organization and then you will create a new app. Yes, create a new app and name of give the name of your app. I have already done this, and after that you will go to that specific Shopify app and type Shopify app generate extensions, Shopify app generate extension, and hit enter, and then it will ask you what type of extension do you need. So you will select the cart transform this like this, and name of the extension, like I have given the name Rapify. So this is the second step. Once you are done with that, go to Shopify app.toml on the root, and from here you will add the scope. Before that you will have only right product scope and you need to add right cart transform scope as well. And then we are going to create two metafields. One is product.metafield.giftwrap.cost. This is for cost, where we will define the cost of each gift wrap, and the name of this metafield is gift wrap cost, and type is JSON. You can type it text whatever you want, and then access.admin merchant read and write access. And the second metafield you are going to create is product.metafield.gift-wrap. This is the namespace dot variant ID, and the name of this metafield and the type would be variant reference, and this will also have merchant read and write access. Once you do that, you are going to simply run Shopify app deploy, and it will deploy the configuration to your app. So I have already done that, and then you can go back to your store and run your app. Once you run your app, you will press G to open the GraphQL admin panel, and from here you will activate this cart transform function. And how you can do that? You can simply activate with the, let me find that for you. Okay, here it is. You will simply copy this command and then go to here and paste that command over here, and you will replace this your function handle over here, and from where you will find the function handle, go to your app and then extension and the extension folder, and Then you will open this shopify.extension.toml. So here is the handle of your app. You will simply copy the handle and replace that over here. And then you will run this function and your cart transform will be enabled. I have already done that. So next thing you are going to do is go to the product where you would like to add this gift wrapping. Open that product and simply go down and view all meta fields, and you will see new fields over here like gift wrap cost and gift wrap variant. In the cost, you will define the cost something like this. Cost, let's say the cost of this gift wrapping is $50. So I will say, let's say $20. And I will add the cost of this. And from here, you can select the gift wrap item. We have already created that gift, and this is the gift wrapping services. I will add this variant and save that. Now this product has a cost of the gift wrapping $20. Okay, so if I go here in all the products, and if I open this product, and this product has the cost of the gift wrapping is $5. Okay, and if I go to this product, and you will notice this product has not any gift price. So let add the cost, let's say $50, $50 for this. And now select the variant gift wrapping and save that. Okay, now let's go back to the code and I will explain you the cart graphical query where we are. Okay, we will run this input. We will get the present approximate currency rate, and then card line quantity and the amount per quantity and the gift wrap attribute. And in the merchandise, we will check the gift wrap cost by the gift wrap key namespace and the key cost, and then we will get the variant ID of that gift. And once we get all this information, we will run this function, and we have the code for this logic. I will push this code to GitHub so you can easily download and use that code in your project. So this is very simple. We will find the gift wrap ID, and then if any product has the gift wrap metafield, we will expand those cart line items and we'll pass the merchandise ID and the new amount over there. Okay, so let's see the practical over here. Right now our cart is empty, and if I go to the products and open the first product, and this product has $5 the gift wrap cost. So let me copy the title of this product and find this product, and this is the product. So you can see the price of this product is $50, and if I add this product into the cart and open the cart, you can see the total amount is $55. The 50 is the amount of the product and the $5 is the gift wrapping price. And if you go to the checkout, you will see them both products over here in the cart transform way. So let's go back here and go to another product, this one, and let me check how much this product has. This has $20. So if I search this product, this one, and the price is $68, and if we add this product, the price should be $88 including. Okay, I think we have cost $50. Let me just copy the cost from here. Oh, that is not cost, actually this is amount. So we need to replace that Metafield value. So I'll go here. So I will replace like something over here, amount $20, and save that. Now if I reload this page again and go to the checkout, now you can see the price is $88 and the cart transform is working. If I go back to the cart, you can see the price is $88. Similarly, we will have the price in the same price in the this flyout card as well. So let's check the last one. Go to the products, and this product, if I go to you all, and let's change to amount $50, and let's copy the name of this product, and if I click over here and add this product into the cart, the current price is $100. If I add that, that should be $150, and you can see the total price is $150. $50 price of the gift wrapping services. And if you go to the checkout, you can see all the cart transform over here. And how you can check your function is working, you go to dev.shopify.dashboard and login with your dashboard, and here you can see the log, and if you click on the cart transform function, this is your input where we have one product is $100, one product of $68, and one product of $50, and then we add the we have the gift wrapping price similarly to each one, $25 and the $50, and after that it convert that the new operation and expand the line and add the price according to that, 100 plus 50, 68 plus 20, and 50 plus 20. And this is your complete cart transform function with the gift wrapping. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.